Hi, this is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees. Why am I out here with the chickens today? Chickens. Why am I out here with the chickens? Oh, I'm not out here with the chickens. We are doing something different today. This is the time of year everyone's been asking about protecting boxes, painting boxes, that type of thing. A lot of people like the natural look of boxes. I'm one of those people. I don't have any painted boxes, and it's okay. Painted boxes are fine. You can go to Home Depot, Menards, Lowe's, whatever store you happen to have, True Value, and get some inexpensive outdoor paint and paint your boxes. That's perfectly fine. We're going to do some natural protection to the boxes. There are a bunch of different ways to do this. Now, last year I went on Amazon and I thought I was getting wax-coated boxes. I really love the idea of wax-coated boxes. Real quick, I did a segment a little bit ago on what I got last year. Let's take a look at what I have in the apiary. Let's take a look. Okay, this is my review of the Amazon hives. I own several here. Anywhere between 8 to 10 months they've been sitting outside, about 60% sunshine during the day, so not 100%. They've not fared well. They are coated, remember. They are not dipped. All of the Amazon hives that I know of, correct me if I'm wrong, they are coated, not dipped. As you can see, the bee castle has fared the worst. There is almost nothing left on that hive. This one here has been out here maybe 9 months. That's it. They have not fared well at all. You can see they have not fared well at all. These are all the bee castle. The Hoover hive did a little better. It's not going to last much longer. I might get another season out of it. But again, these are all coated, not dipped. So the Hoover will look like the bee castle here come next year. But again, the bee castles look like crap. These bottom, there is nothing left on these. But it's next year, I'm going to have to do something with them. They're going to start rotting. I'm going to have to find something to do. I'm not sure, because they've got some wax on them. I guess I'm going to have to power wash them and do something with them. You can see there's nothing, there's no coating left on some of these. It's kind of worn. It looked like crap. Okay, let's get back. Okay, as you can see, I'm not real happy this year with what I bought last year. Box-wise, they're fine boxes. They're just not holding up to the elements. Went to Hive Alive this year. Fantastic time. Bought a bunch of these off of Cayman Reynolds. They are wax dipped. They are all natural looking. If you love that look, if you can find a local club that'll do wax dipping, I highly recommend it. These boxes here will last longer than I will be a beekeeper. Probably longer than I will be on this earth. I hope that's a long time, but these boxes will outlive me. The wax penetrates the wood. They will be around a long, long time. I love that idea. If you like natural looking wood, that's a great idea. Today we're going to do something different with a bunch of woodenware I have here. Now last year I used this on some of my woodenware. It's great stuff. This Nano penetrating sealer. Great stuff. The problem I have, this is like 55 bucks a gallon. Now it goes a long way because you don't use a lot on woodenware. It goes a long way. What a lot of folks are using this year is this eco wood treatment. You take and mix a packet of this with a gallon of water, and it goes quite a long, just like the Nano goes a long way. Now I have a lot of Nano left. I don't want to waste it, so let's mix the two and see what we come up with. I hate being wasteful, so let's proceed. Okay, we start mixing both the Nano and the Eco together in a bucket. Only mixing 2 gallon here. That's all I'm using, just 2. You can mix more if you want. Putting it in a 90 quart, 85 liter bin. You want to make sure it's at least 20 inches long so it'll fit the woodenware. And nice frame, right? Love the fluorescent. Got the idea from Black Mountain Honey. He had a great video on that. Go check him out. Supposedly the bees can see the fluorescent colors for each entrance, different color. Help them find their way home. So, hey, give it a shot. Quickly dip each side there. Drain dry. 4-frame nuke. That should look familiar there from a prior video. Now this is going to look gorgeous when done. It just looks plain white right now, just white wood, just blonde. Wait till it, the color, it really brings out the color of the wood. That Amish, these are Amish built. This is just crap wood I found around the shop to build a swarm trap. Gonna put this out here in another week or two, probably a couple weeks. Take a paintbrush in the areas I can't get in the little tub there. Take a paintbrush, just brush it there. Get it really good. Get that protectant on it. Make it waterproof. These won't even need painted. A lot of people camouflage paint. Get the lid really good here. You want to make sure you get the lid really good. It's going to get a lot of rain and sun on it. Here's a deep fits in there just right. No problem. Drip dry. Get all that out of it. No sense wasting it. What do we have left? Oh, we have the bottom board. Might as well paint it while I'm at it. It's going to be exposed to the bottom there. Get that protectant on it. Won't harm the bees at all. Telescoping lid, all we need is the outside edges. And we are done with all the woodenware I have for today. Well, technical difficulty there. If you wanted a short video, you've got it. Sorry, the camera was in fast motion there. My bad. Oops, hit the microphone, sorry. My bad again. So let's take a quick look at some of these boxes to see. It's been about a half hour now, maybe 45 minutes, half hour. Let's take a quick look and see the results. You can see here is a swarm trap. You can see how dark that is. You don't even need camouflage paint on that guy. See the inside, the difference it made. Great job on that. Here's a four frame nuke box. Brings out the color beautifully in that guy. I love it. Love it. These aren't completely dry. Beautiful, beautiful look on those. And on that paint, you can see it doesn't bother it really at all. Those are fine. So, in conclusion, I think these will be just fine. They'll be protected from the elements. And I do know that Nano paint I tried last year, the water just beads off of it, even at the end of the year last year. So now with the mixture of the two, the wood should be well protected. So I'm going to try them this year. I'll give another review, I guess, next year. And we'll see where we stand with them. So for me and my wife's chickens, say goodbye, chickens. I guess they're not talkative right now. So anyway, this is Tim, Southwest Ohio Bees. You have a fantastic day.